What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and nothing new. We're doing what you normally do in California. Wow, that car is effed up.
Finish him.
Nothing new for California, right? Cars are normally destroyed out here. But welcome on back to TK's Garage. So we got some internal information that we can now confirm. We had dropped information saying that the Hemi could be getting back into the 1500 Ram as soon as May, in the beginning of May. And now we know that's the case. Now, they were saying, initially that this was going to happen in August, but we know now that they're moving it up to May. Now, this is partially part of the reason why they manufactured and put together so many engines in Mexico to get them across the border. So I think they're going to try to get this Hemi truck out much faster than expected. They know they have to do something. I've even seen some internal chats and information between employees where they're saying that in Detroit that they've seen a commercial already on the local NBC News talking about the 1500 Ram with a Hemi. Now, I don't know if that's a commercial they let slip on accident or what. I haven't seen it. I'm going by an employee chat. So, it'll be interesting to see what happens. I mean, is the Hemi going to fix all their issues? No. But it's going to drastically help improve sales. Your service techs are tired of looking at these Hurricane engines coming in time after time for water pumps, all kinds of other crap, because the parts are cheap. Tavares F that entire rollout of not just the EV, but also the Hurricane. It just wasn't ready for prime time yet, man. And you have so many of these vehicles. On my way out here to California, I was shocked to see not one, not two, but 3 Wagoneers broken down on the side of the road. That's why when I saw this other Wagoneer a minute ago with a paper tag on it, I was like, oh, look, there's one running. There is no way I would take a Wagoneer on a road trip right now. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Not with the Hurricane engine in it. Absolutely not. 6.4 Hemi? Yep. Sure could. God, look how clapped out this car is. Life hard out here, man. They just be tearing their stuff up. See, I told you, look. There's a Wagoneer running on the highway. I kid. But seriously, this is good news, at least when it comes to the Hemi, because I was worried that with everything going on, that maybe they would try to do some Mickey Mouse stuff if they were going to sell the brands anyway or break them off, to not bring it out or try to delay it or do whatever. But it looks like they're giving Tim Kuniskis that, autonomy to be able to do that. And I think that that's good. I think if we could get one more person, if Tim was able to, get Antonio to put one more person from his circle in as the CEO of Chrysler may even have a chance to be saved. But, they're coming up on their 100th anniversary, and I'm just not seeing anything exciting coming out of Chrysler. There's, are we going to have a special edition minivan? Come on, man. Well, how do you feel about the Hemi coming, that we know for sure now, earlier than expected? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. News channel just dropped, by the way. We do have a new video over there on the news with TK. I'll tag it in the description down below if you want to go check it out. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And as always, stay petty, my friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys very soon while we're out here in Huntington Beach.